In business, the PDF document has become the standard in digitally publishing important documents. The real challenge is how to make productive use of PDF files. More and more of you are expected to sign PDFs, edit PDFs, or create PDF forms that your customers, vendors, and employees can complete electronically. Introducing Power PDF from Nuance, the most dynamic, mobile, and easy-to-use PDF product that Nuance has ever created. With Power PDF, you can work like never before and get things done in the office or on the go. Nuance Power PDF combines ease of use with powerful features. It boasts Windows 10 touch-enabled support on laptops and tablet devices like the Microsoft Surface. And you can get Power PDF at a price your business can afford, so every member of your team can take full advantage of Power PDF. Designed with a Microsoft Office-style ribbon interface to minimize the learning curve, it even includes a powerful Find a Tool function, so you don't have to spend time browsing ribbon tabs and menus. It looks and behaves better than software you use every day, and it's packed with all the features your team expects. Power PDF allows them to assemble, convert, create, edit, scan, and sign PDFs, and so much more. Now you can securely publish and share your PDF files with everyone. Power PDF is the affordable PDF software solution that frees you from the frustrations of other PDF software. Unlock the power of the PDF and gain control of your PDF workflows. To learn more, visit nuance.com/powerpdf.